Samsung Galaxy A51 factory data reset, also known as hard reset. A few precautions before you begin. Perform a factory data reset only if necessary, as it removes your Google account and all data including system data, app data and media. For devices with Android device protection turned on, it's imperative Google sign-in credentials are known prior to completing a factory reset with the device powered off. If credentials are unknown, do one of the following. 1. Attempt to sign in with any Google account previously used on the device. 2. Reset the password via www.google.com/accounts/recovery website. If a pattern or PIN has ever been set up on the device, Google account sign-in is required during initial setup. A factory reset can also serve as a method to bypass forgotten passwords. If a user has forgotten the PIN, pattern, or password they have set on their device, a factory reset can be done to erase the user data and start again. Simultaneously push volume down and power key for a few seconds. If the screen goes dark, hold down immediately the volume up, plus the power button for a couple of seconds. Then release all buttons until the Android recovery screen appears. From the Android recovery screen, select Wipe Data, Factory Reset. Utilize the volume buttons to cycle through the available options and the power button to select. Allow several seconds for the factory data reset to complete. You can also select Wipe Cache Partition. Select Yes. Allow several seconds for wiping the cache partition to complete. Select Reboot System now. Allow several minutes for the reboot process to complete. If applicable, set up your device. A factory data reset will revert the device back to factory settings. It will permanently erase all personal data, preferences, settings and content such as pictures, ringtones and apps that are saved to the device. It is recommended that you save any important data before proceeding. Factory Reset is a feature that is available on most smartphones. It's a way to return the device to its original state, as if it was just taken out of the box. This process erases all data, personal information, settings, and apps that were installed by the user. There are various reasons why a person might want to factory reset their smartphone, such as fixing a problem with the device, preparing it for sale or giving it away, or just starting over with a clean slate. There are lots of reasons why you might want to factory reset your Samsung device. Whether you're giving your phone to someone else and you don't want them to access your information, or maybe you're having trouble and need to start from scratch. Factory resetting a mobile device is not reversible. Please make sure all of your information is saved to a backup somewhere else before attempting to reset your phone. After hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy or your Android device can be locked by Google Protection. If you would like to bypass this feature, check out some instructions on the web about factory reset protection. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Board Vlogger. See you next time.